spent the last couple weeks of my summer break, the first couple weeks, doing absolutely nothing, like most of you. But today, I will be camping outside in my pontoon boat on land, because I can't drive to the river. And so, yeah, I'm gonna touch some grass. I know you can't believe it either.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's gonna be good. Yeah, so see you there right about
The next day.
the next morning, and I need my stuff in the boat, so I'm gonna do that. And okay, yeah, so everything is in the boat now, and I'm gonna do the tour. So here is the tour of the boat. That's a dead bird. Okay. Here are the stairs. The main entrance. There's also a dead bird at the front door. I didn't know that was there. That's cool. Have my charger. Using there for days. Here is the chair. Here is the chair I won't be sitting in because it's disgusting. Here is the stuff. And this is for when I need to go to the bathroom. I pee over the edge or I walk down there. I don't know. That's the gas. Here's the fire extinguisher for when I cook. And I'm gonna set all my stuff up and show you what I have. Oh, okay. So everything's set up. I got my phone stand so I can have a little talking area where I have that set up with the chair. My bed, it's not set up yet or anything. Here's my charging thing. Is it wet in there? No, it's not in there. Yeah, it's on the outside, if I was concerned. Here's my BB gun for when, if animals try to get up in here, or a crackhead or something. Here's the TV. I'm gonna watch a movie later. Guess what movie? If you guess, you get $100. No, you don't. I have my bug repellent, expired sunscreen. And here's the cooking station. Here's also the candle for light later. I do have a normal lamp, but yeah, I have my water, my Boy Scout water. I have my cooking set. There's a pan and stuff in there. I have this. I have lighter. I have homemade cooking stove. I moved my bed because I need to put the actual inflatable bed here. Oh, I put the fire extinguisher closer to the food in case I light myself on fire, because that wouldn't be good. So yeah, that is the setup. Yeah. So now we're gonna talk about the plan. So the plan is, in a few hours, why is that slamming? I didn't lock it. I'll do it later. But we're gonna get some food from the gas station. I have $5 for today's dinner and tomorrow's breakfast. So I have a few hours. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the bed set up. I don't know. Probably do some other stuff. But you'll see that. So yeah, have fun. Okay, so I just got my sunscreen on, made my bed all nice, see, made all nice, did some little things to put my charger out, because apparently putting it in a Ziploc bag when it rains makes it not charge, but now it's charging. I got everything set up. I got my spork I didn't show you. I put my stuff under the shade, so now it'll get warm, and I'm going to ride my motorbike to the gas station and get a haul of $5 for a meal. 2 meals for $5. I might be eating ramen for 2 days. I don't know. See you there. And I'm back. I just got back from the gas station. Let's see what I got. So, as a little snack, I got a Coke. Then, for supper, the achievement, meatballs, spaghetti and meatballs. It's a good one because it has meatballs. The one by itself with just spaghetti sucks. And for breakfast, I'm gonna have some peanuts. Just some simple little peanuts. Yeah, just pretty simple meal. I can't really get much. $5 of course, but I think I can make it work. Probably. Operation Buy Food successful. Woo! I got my yummy munchies. And now, well, I don't know. I'm gonna sit around, just do nothing for a couple hours till it gets dark. Till it starts getting a little bit more dark. Yeah. Drink this Coke really fast while waiting for it to turn dark. Yeah. The Coke, but then I remembered, hey, I have a BB gun, so I'm gonna shoot the can now, because that sounds fun. Woohoo! Kaboom! Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna start cooking at about like 8. It's 3:30 right now. The last video was at like 12, so I've been out here for 3 hours. My mom came home and she gave me this because she said I was gonna get burnt. So she gave me an umbrella, so I have this now. So what I did, I like rode my mini bike up the road and back like 5 times and walked around for a couple hours, watched TikTok, made a couple TikToks, and now I have this, or I guess I can sit here now because that's the way I was moving around under the shade, so I'm happy.
4 hours later.
Okay, so this is the main event. I got my cooking stove, I got my pot, SpaghettiOs, meatballs too, and fork. I got all my so little thing. I get my fire extinguisher. Where is the fire extinguisher? Okay, it's right here. Right there. Now I'm going to take the lid off because I don't really need that. Put that over the fire. Look, it's cooking. Okay, I ate my SpaghettiOs. It was very, very good. See, yeah. I rode around for a little bit. Sorry, iPhone storage went out for a minute. I'm gonna start watching my movie, and the movie is Monster House. Yeah, you win if you guess that. You get a shout out. Amazingness. Wow. Woo! Cool. So, see ya after my movie. Okay, so it's currently, I'm about to sleep, and I just want to say thank you for watching the video, and hope you like and subscribe. Hope you thought this was a good video. I don't know. If you like it, I might do stuff like it more. But see ya. Bye.